Can I have this? This is amazing. Nobody's answering. That means no, I can't have it. If anyone's wondering, no, I did not get to take this home. Hello, I'm Blake Lively, and welcome to Tiny Talk in honor of my new movie, It Ends With Us. And right here, we are looking at a tiny rendition of my character Lily Bloom's flower shop, which is named Lily Bloom's. Her name is actually Lily Bloom, which is, you know, we do a whole run on it in the movie. I was not allowed to see this all day today. Shut up. Oh my gosh, you probably can't even see me from here, but I need to see this for real. You guys put Betty Buzz in here? Betty Buzz, that's my drinks company. Stop it, there's a book. Teeny tiny Lily Bloom on there with her flowers and my flowers. I feel like whether you've read the book or not, you can connect with this movie. I really do believe it will resonate with people because we all brought such heart and soul to this movie because we cared about it so much. Like, the story grabbed us by the heartstrings and it meant a lot to each of us. You don't need to have read the book to know and understand and fall in love with the movie. Seeing it on screen and seeing it in a theater is a very different experience. I mean, the flower shop is something that Jenny Slate and I had to go from it being like, you know, sort of falling apart to being Lily's dream flower shop. But yeah, Jenny and I had a really special experience actually painting the walls, actually putting together flower arrangements, actually moving the furniture around. I mean, obviously, like, there's a whole incredible team of production designers and set dressers, but a lot of it was hands-on work that we got to do within that. So yeah, I think of like getting to know Jenny Slate when I look at this, and oh my God, I love her so much. So I'm gonna make tiny bouquets with you. I made real life bouquets earlier. I just like carry this around with me everywhere. So here's my real life large size arrangement. I'm gonna put it here and then we're gonna bring it back up and compare the bouquets. It's like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, Lily Bloom's edition. I think Lily's a person who like takes something that someone has cast aside and makes it beautiful. So like what she does to this flower shop, what she does with people, what she does with herself, what she does with flowers. So I really see her as an artist. That feels like that's a nice little finishing touch. Here's my floral arrangement. Am I hired? Yeah, I want to be hired. The mama and the baby, just like this film, is a multi-generational film, and this is how we relate it back to It Ends With Us. In theaters, August 9th. Please go see it.